Stop scrolling. This VinFast customization secret will blow your mind. 12 colors, 50,000 rupees. But wait, there's one India-exclusive color sunset orange. And that's just the beginning. Let's go! Yo! Vinayak Gupta here, and we're diving into VinFast VF6 customization madness. 12 exterior colors, including that exclusive sunset orange I just dropped. Custom LED light strips that'll make your ride glow like a spaceship. Roof rails for your adventure gear and 20-inch alloy wheels that scream premium. But wait, the interior is where VinFast goes absolutely insane. Premium leather seats in 4 colors: black, brown, beige, and red. 64-color ambient lighting. Your car becomes a disco. Wireless phone chargers with cooling fans because overheating is so last year. Custom floor mats and panoramic sunroof shades for that VIP experience. Premium sound system upgrades that'll make your neighbors jealous. Modular storage solutions because clutter is the enemy. 15.6-inch infotainment system that's basically a tablet on wheels. Heads-up display making you feel like Iron Man. 360-degree camera system. Big Brother's got nothing on this. AI voice assistant. Hello, Om, where shall we drive today? Now here's where it gets crazy. The pricing. Basic customization starts at just 50,000 rupees. Premium packages go up to 2 lakhs for the full VIP treatment. But book in 30 days and get 40% off. Limited slots available. Don't sleep on this. Smash that like if you're customizing your VF6. Comment your dream color combo. I read every single one. Which city are you watching from? Drop it below. Subscribe for more car secrets and hit that bell. Part 2 drops tomorrow with hidden features they don't advertise. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one. Keep customizing. Keep dreaming. This is Vinayak Gupta signing off. VinFast VF6, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe.